So today I was having a very good time thinking, reading, making researches about the safest ways to place bets. Not just the safest way, but I have also discovered the fastest ways to make money from football this period, either weekly or daily. Now, if I go to Google and type the same thing, let's say how to discover or not how to make money with football betting. It might give you ways place your bet. Now look at this on the site Sport Menu. Now look at this. There were article that's going to show you that about how do successful gamblers make money betting on football. Locate value. Then what's the next thing is to have a set bankroll, develop a strategy, control your emotions, stay disciplined. Now the hardest part is to how to develop a strategy and to control your emotion and as well as the discipline. So this article actually caught my mind. Now after that caught my mind, I went down to make more researches and also to find how I can as well as make money with this. Now I've came up with one good thing. First thing first, allow me to make use of my calculator right here. So last season, so let me go down back here. I wanted the video to be very short, so bear with me. So last season, let me go for the table, Premier League table for last season. Okay. Yeah, so let's look at the table. All right, so looking at it here over, I don't know, it is not actually zooming. I try to zoom it, but I can see clearly that Arsenal is at the top of the league. And aside that, how many games does it lose and how many draw does he played? They played a total of what? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 28, making it 38. So last season they've played 38 total matches, and then Arsenal won 28 times, lose 5 times, and play draw 5 times. Now that is a total of 38 matches played in last season by Manchester City. I'm using City as an example. Now if I decided to be staking on City's odd for every match, I wanted to be staking $10 for every match for that 38 days. Okay, for that 38 matches, I wanted to be taking $10 on each. Now why am I using the $10? Represents the $10 represents how I'm going to stay disciplined. Okay, the $10 talk about how disciplined I'm going to be. So no matter what, I must stick with $10. Now I'm developing a strategy which is step 2. Now my strategy is being disciplined by staking $10. Now what is the strategy? I'm going to be betting on only Manchester City for the whole season without adding another team. Now let's assume that City had 1.30 odds 1.30 odds in all matches. City is a great team. Okay, City is actually a very great team, and expect them to be giving him lower odds. For example, so let's use today's odd as an example. You are giving City 1.40 odds for today. Now, if I'm staking this game for $10 every day for that 38 matches, now the first thing is, at the end of the season, I'm going to be spending this amount of money. I'm going to be spending this amount of money. 380. Yeah, so that is it. I'll be spending $380 for total stake. Okay, now I've win 28 times. Remember the amount we spend staking. Now if we are to be giving 1.40 odds times the $10 we are staking, meaning in every matches we'll be earning profit of 4% of the $10. Okay, so now the total profit we are going to be making is to get the 0.4 times the 28 winning that they had. Okay, let's do it the right way, times $10. So this is what we'll be earning per game. Okay, this is what we'll be earning per game, equal to times 28. Are we doing the right calculation right here? Okay, the winning is here, so times 28. Yes, so at the end of the season, if you are staking on that, at the end of the season, this is how much you are going to make at the end of the season. Now deduct the total amount you invested, which is the 380 from it. So now in total you'll be left with $740. So just imagine investing $10 on City for the season to end, and at the end you make what, this amount of money. So bear in mind, if you are investing, I'm just using $10 as an example. So if someone is investing 100, that means the person will be getting a return of this times 28 equal to, then you deduct this amount from it. It's the same thing. The person who ended up winning, having a balance of $7,400, and that is a very big amount of money. So depending on whatever you invest, that is it. All right, so that is the strategy one I have developed, right? So I have developed my strategy. One is to be disciplined, control my emotion, and bet on only one team, which is City, to win. Now the second one is betting every day on single league. Okay, now there is an common league that can give you winning every day. Okay, there is a common link that can give you winning every day, which is very, very simple. Go to this particular league. I always use Turkey. Yeah, so here we go. This Turkey Super League. Okay, here, this is Super Turkey League. Now the strategy 2 is to look for all matches. Now you go to all the leagues that they have over here, look for their top scoring team, the team that win most of the matches. Now select at least 5 of the leagues. So maybe I can decide to choose Bundesliga, Serie B, Super League, Eredivisie, and also Premier League. That is 5, right? Now, so after getting these 5 leagues, mine is to pick their best scoring team. Okay, best scoring team. Then I will be giving them over 1.5 every week. This one also fall in a week. So this one also fall in a week. So 1.5. So now if I go to German Bundesliga, if you go to German Bundesliga right now, you go to statistics, then you go to the table, you realize that the this is Bundesliga 2. Okay, so this is the team that is leading with 4 matches played, 10 points. So if you had to pick this particular match, you could have played 4 matches now and win 3 times, draw 1 time. They didn't lose any game yet. So that is how you pick it. Now you look at the goal difference. You can see they are in difference 4, difference 6. So you can see they are scoring. So these are the top scoring league that they also have right over there. So now you pick at least 5 of the top goal scoring team and be giving them over 1.5 and select at least 5 teams per day. Then you'll be betting on it every day or weekly. Then you can make a lot of money. If you understand the strategy or you are mixed up somewhere, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be making a full tutorial video on it.